Hello guys, and welcome to another Bimmer Fixer video. And in this video we're going to be restoring the exhaust tips on the back of my 525i Msport e60. So I'm going to show you what you need to do and everything you need. Okay guys, so what you're going to need, first of all, some warm soapy water. Just chuck some washing up liquid, dishwasher soap, anything like that in there. It's like a degreaser and a lubricant as well. We're going to be needing some sponges, some with the soft and also the abrasive sides, like a Brillo pads like these. You're going to need some rubbing compound and microfiber towel, and I've also got a bit of 2000 grit wet and dry paper to help with some of the real stubborn bits, and also got some hob cleaner or bathroom tap cleaner. So this has got like a rubbing compound in it also, so if the rubbing compound in this doesn't work, then give this a go as well, or we'll try this first and see if this gives us a better finish at the end of it. Okay, so first step, we get our sponge, we get it nice and wet, and we're just going to soak the tips. Now you can take them off, you can remove the exhaust tips, but I'm just going to try and do it with them still on the car, because some people won't be able to get them off. You can kind of get underneath with a metal bar and kind of knock them off, or you can sometimes just twist them, but these are well and truly on there. So what we're going to try and do now is we're just going to kind of get all the soot and everything as much as we can off, and get a little bit of soap on there to act as a bit of a lubricant for the, I think we're going to try the wet and dry first. I think there's just some real stubborn bits on there, so what we'll do now is we'll pull some strips off the wet and dry, and then we can thread them over and round and kind of work them, but I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so making sure that the exhaust tips are nice and wet and got lots of soap on. So you take a strip wet and dry, tear it off, and you can post it through like that. You can just work it like that, and what this will do is just to get some of the really stubborn, stuck on road grime and things. I think it kind of bakes on with the heat. Let's do that. Okay, a bit more. So you can just see, well, I can see just on the inside it's getting to it, but it might actually need something a little bit coarser than 2000 grit. There we go, it's just starting to give that a bit of a rinse. So you can just see it's just trying to come off there. What I might try and do again is use one of the other sponges with the other abrasive sides. Right. Hit it again with the wet and dry. So you probably could get away with going something like maybe a 1500, 1000 grit. This side's come off a lot better. I don't know if you can see a difference on that one, that's come up a lot better. So do is tear off another strip, just see if we can get on top a bit more. You have to excuse the sirens, I've got a funny feeling they're going to come flying down my road. Okay. There we go, you can really start to see an improvement already. So what we'll do, I'm going to carry on with the wet and dry. There we go, fire engine. I'm going to carry on with the wet and dry, see how much more we can get them up, and then what we'll do is we'll go at it with the hob cleaner, see how much of a difference that makes. Okay guys, so a bit of an update. We're still hitting it with the 2000 grit sandpaper. It's patience really. You can't go, I mean it would be a bit quicker to go with a coarser paper, but then you run the risk of going too much and taking too much of the chrome off. It's not going to be perfect by any means, but it was that bad I didn't even know they were actually chrome, or should have been chrome. Didn't know if someone had kind of painted them or it was actually just baked on. So we'll do a little bit more of this, and then I think we'll hit it with the hob cleaner. Okay, so now we've hit it with the sandpaper, or the wet and dry, we're going to give the Sif hob and bathroom kitchen tap cleaner a go. So what we'll do, give it a bit of a shake first. Just want to kind of, don't be shy, and then once I'm there, just dab it all over and just give it another rub. So not only will it be like a degreaser and cleaner, it'll lubricate it again. Alright, so I'll carry on doing this for another 5-10 minutes, see what we get, and then we'll see if we need to either do a bit more wet and drying, or if we'll rub it down with the cutting compound. Okay, so once you've finished with the oven cleaner and the wet and dry, just give them a bit of a rinse off. See, I think that's pretty much the best we're gonna get for this quick little job. So what we'll do now is we'll dry them off. Okay, so let's get as much of the moisture out of the way as you can. Don't know if you can hear that, but I think we're just about to get gate crashed by the neighbour's cat. There he is. So, okay, so once you've got that out of the way, dry, we'll get our microfiber and we'll put some of the cutting compound so and we're just going to kind of, actually it might even be worth dabbing it on my finger, yeah, just coat it all over like that. Once you've done that, you kind of give it a good buff. So, just kind of, if you fold it in half and try and get down between the pipes. There you go. It looks a lot better. So I'll carry on with the other pipe and then we should have a finished tailpipe. Okay, so final part is just to give them a bit of a buff. Oh, our friend's back. Okay, so there we go. So obviously not brand new, because well, you saw the state they're in, but I think a good marked improvement. Still a little bit of tarnish in there, but can't quite get that off. But yeah, I can work on it next time, clean the car, but I'm quite impressed with that. So there we go, there's how to restore your tailpipes. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or anything, please leave a comment. I'll get back to everyone that leaves a comment. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.